You are welcome to Module 4, Part 5 of our series of lectures on maintenance and material management. Our topic today is Vendor Relationship Management. I am your lecturer, Professor Christopher Mba. Vendor Relationship Management. At the end of this lecture, the students shall be able to 1. Define vendor relationship management and know its significance. 2. Understand the concept of collaborative planning. 3. Understand what risk management is concerning vendor relationship. And 4. Know the various performance matrices in vendor relationship. Definition of vendor relationship management. Vendor relationship management, VRM, is the process of systematically managing your supplier interactions to ensure that the goods and services acquired contribute positively to your organization's efficiency and profitability. The primary focus of vendor relationship management is to cultivate a mutually beneficial relationship with vendors, fostering trust and collaboration to create a strategic partnership rather than a mere transactional relationship. Significance of vendor relationship management include 1. Enhanced supply chain reliability. 2. Improved product quality and innovation. 3. Cost efficiency. 4. Risk management. 5. Collaborative problem solving. And 6. Market agility. Significance of vendor relationship management. 1. Enhanced supply chain reliability. Strong vendor relationships ensure a more reliable supply chain. Vendors are more likely to go the extra mile for clients they have good relationship with, which can mean prioritizing client needs during high demand or resolving issues more quickly. 2. Improved product quality and innovation. When vendors are treated as partners, they are more inclined to maintain high quality standards and to innovate. They understand the business better and can tailor their ability to better meet clients' needs potentially, even collaborating on new product development. Cost efficiency, number 3. Good vendor relationships can lead to more favorable pricing and terms. Vendors are often willing to negotiate costs with business they have stable relationship with, especially when they feel their business is valued and not at risk. 4. Risk management. Effective vendor relationship management helps mitigate risks by ensuring communication channels are open for discussing and resolving issues as they arise. This proactive approach can prevent minor issues from becoming major disruptions. 5. Collaborative problem solving. When relationships are strong, vendors are more likely to engage in open dialogue about problems, working collaboratively towards solutions instead of placing blame or avoiding responsibility. Number 6, market agility. With solid vendor relationships, companies can respond more swiftly to market changes and opportunities. Vendors can offer flexible terms or expedite processes to help meet demand or adjust to market fluctuations. Strategies for effective vendor relationship management. The following strategies are vital for effective vendor relationship. 1. Regular communication. 2. Performance metrics. 3. Long-term partnership. 4. Vendor segmentation. 5. Conflict resolution plans. 6. Recognition and rewards. 7. Continuous improvement. Let us take these items one after the other. 1. Regular communication. Maintain frequent communication to ensure both parties are aligned. This can include regular status updates, performance reviews, and strategic planning sessions. Performance metrics. Define clear performance metrics that align with business objectives. Regularly review these metrics with the vendors to discuss achievements and areas of improvement. 3. Long-term partnership. Focus on building long-term relationships rather than short-term gains. Long-term contracts can provide stability for both parties and foster a deeper commitment to mutual success. Vendor segmentation. Not all vendors are equally critical to the business. Segment vendors based on their strategic importance and tailor management efforts accordingly. More critical vendors may require more intensive interaction and closer collaboration. 5. Conflict resolution plans. Establish clear procedures for resolving disputes. A structured approach can help de-escalate conflicts and maintain professional relationships. 6. Recognition and reward. Acknowledge and reward vendors for exceptional service or contributions. Recognition can reinforce positive behavior and motivate vendors to maintain high performance level. 7. Continuous improvement. Encourage the continuous improvement through joint initiatives, training, or sharing best practices. This not only enhances performance, but also strengthens the relationship. Collaborative planning. Collaborative planning with vendors is a strategic approach that involves mutual engagement in developing plans that consider the needs and capabilities of both parties. This collaborative effort is crucial for aligning supply chain goals and operations, leading to enhanced overall efficiency and responsiveness. Below are key aspects and benefits of collaborative planning in vendor relationship management. 1. Joint demand forecasting. 2. Shared production schedules. 3. Inventory management coordination. 4. Resource sharing. And 5. Risk management. Number 1. Joint demand forecasting. Both parties work together to predict future demand based on shared data, including market trends, past sales data, and upcoming promotions or product launches. This collective forecasting helps ensure that production levels and inventory are appropriately scaled to actual market needs. Shared production schedules. Vendors and buyers coordinate their production schedules to ensure that supply meets demand in the most time-efficient manner. This may involve synchronizing manufacturing cycles to aligning delivery schedules to reduce downtime and optimize throughput. Number 3, inventory management coordination. Sharing information about current inventory levels and future inventory needs helps both parties manage their storage and logistics more effectively. This coordination can lead to just-in-time inventory practices, which minimize holding costs and reduce the risk of overstocking or stock-outs. 4. Resource sharing. In some cases, collaborative planning might involve sharing resources such as transportation, storage facilities, or even technology. This can reduce costs and improve operational efficiency for both parties. 5. Risk management planning. Collaborative planning also includes joint strategies for managing risks, such as supply chain disruptions, regulatory changes, or economic downturns. Planning for these risks together ensures that both parties are prepared and have agreed upon procedures to mitigate impacts. Benefits of collaborative planning. The benefits of collaborative planning cannot be overemphasized. Listed below are some of these benefits. Number 1, enhanced supply chain resilience. 2, increased operational efficiency. 3, cost reduction. 4, improved quality and innovation. 5, stronger business relationships. And 6, faster response to market demand. Let us consider them one after the other. Enhanced supply chain resilience. By planning together, both parties can better anticipate potential disruptions and respond more effectively, enhancing the resilience of the supply chain, increasing operational efficiency. Alignment of schedules and resources leads to smoother operations, fewer delays, and optimized use of manpower and materials. Cost reduction. Collaborative planning can lead to significant cost saving through optimized inventory levels, shared logistics, and avoidance of rush orders and emergency shipments. 4. Improved quality and innovation. Regular interactions and joint planning create opportunities for sharing insights that can lead to improvement in product quality and the development of new products or processes. 5. Stronger business relationships. Engaging in collaborative planning builds trust and understanding between vendors and buyers, and hence foster stronger, longer-lasting business relationships. Faster response to market demand. With a coordinated approach to managing supply and demand, both parties can react more swiftly to changes in market conditions, thereby maintaining competitiveness and customer satisfaction. Implementing collaborative planning. To effectively implement collaborative planning, organizations should consider establishing dedicated communication channels and tools, regular planning meetings, and clear protocols for data sharing and confidentiality. Technology such as cloud-based collaboration platforms can facilitate real-time information exchange and decision-making. Training and continuous improvement initiatives can also ensure that the collaborative processes evolve with the changing business environments and technological advancements. Risk management. Risk management within vendor relationships involves identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential risks that could impact the supply chain and business operations. Strong vendor relationships play a pivotal role in effective risk management, as proactive communication and collaboration between partners can help anticipate and address risks before they escalate. Here as exploration of how vendor relationships contribute to risk management and the importance of proactive communication. Contribution of strong vendor relationship to risk management. The following are ways that strong vendor relationships help in risk management. Enhanced visibility, early warning signs, collaborative problem solving, shared risk management strategies, regular communication, transparency, information sharing, joint risk assessments, and continuous improvement. Relationships with vendors provide greater visibility into their operations, allowing businesses to identify potential risks early enough. This visibility includes insight into suppliers' financial health, production capabilities, and potential vulnerabilities. Early warning signs. Establishing trust and open communication channels with vendors enables businesses to receive early warning signs of potential issues. Vendors may share information about supply chain disruptions, production delays, or quality concerns, allowing for timely intervention and risk mitigation. Collaborative problem solving. Strong vendor relationships foster a collaborative approach to problem solving. When risks arise, businesses and vendors can work together to develop solutions and implement contingency plans, minimizing the impact on operations and customer satisfaction. Proactive communication and collaboration for risk management. Regular communication. Proactive communication is essential for effective risk management. Regular dialogue with vendors allows businesses to stay informed about potential risks and developments in the supply chain. This communication may include scheduled meetings, performance reviews, and ad hoc discussions as needed. Transparency. Openness and transparency are critical components of proactive risk management. Businesses should be transparent with vendors about their expectations, risk tolerance, and any changes in demand or business conditions. Similarly, vendors should be forthcoming about any changes they encounter that could impact supply or service delivery. Information sharing. Sharing relevant information such as demand forecasts, production schedules, and inventory levels facilitates collaborative risk management efforts. This information exchange enables both parties to anticipate potential risks and develop coordinated responses to mitigate them effectively. Joint risk assessments. Collaborative risk assessments involve jointly identifying and evaluating potential risks to the supply chain. Businesses and vendors can conduct risk assessments together, considering factors such as geopolitical events, natural disasters, market volatility, and supplier dependencies. This collaborative approach ensures that both parties have a comprehensive understanding of the risks they face and can prioritize mitigation efforts accordingly. Performance metrics and continuous improvement. Performance metrics and continuous improvement in vendor relationship management involves setting clear expectations through key performance indicators and regularly evaluating vendor performance to drive improvements. This systematic approach not only enhances the quality of services and products, but also strengthens the collaboration and mutual benefits derived from vendor relationships. Here is how organizations can effectively implement these strategies. 1. By establishing key performance indicators for vendors. 2. By regular assessment of performance. 3. By feedback mechanisms. 4. By continuous improvement efforts. Let us consider these items in details. Establishing key performance indicators for vendors. The process of establishing key performance indicators for vendors include identification of key metrics. Determine the most relevant key performance indicators based on the strategic goals of the relationship and the specific services or products provided by the vendor. Common key performance indicators include delivery time, quality of goods, cost effectiveness, compliance rates, and responsiveness. Alignment with business objectives. Ensure that chosen KPIs align with broader business objectives. This alignment helps maintain focus on areas that contribute most significantly to the company's success. Clear communication. Communicate these key performance indicators clearly and concisely to the vendor from the outset of the relationship. Vendors should understand not only what the expectations are, but also how they will be measured. Agreement on targets. Work collaboratively with vendors to set realistic and achievable targets for each key performance indicator. This involvement encourages buy-in and commitment from the vendor to strive towards these goals. Regular assessment of performance. Scheduled reviews. Conduct regular performance reviews using the established key performance indicators. These reviews can be quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, depending on the nature of the goods or services provided. Real-time monitoring. Utilize technology to monitor performance in real time where possible. This can help identify issues as they arise and before they impact the business significantly. Benchmarking. Compare performance against industry benchmarks or best practices to identify areas of improvement and celebrate successes. Constructive feedback. Provide timely and constructive feedback based on performance reviews. Highlight areas where the vendor meets or exceeds expectations, as well as areas needing improvement. Two-way feedback. Encourage vendors to provide feedback on their experience working with the organization. This reciprocal feedback can reveal insights into improving processes on both sides. Regular communication. Maintain an open line of communication beyond formal reviews to foster a collaborative environment where continuous improvement is a shared goal. Improvement efforts. Joint improvement initiatives. Engage in joint initiatives aimed at process improvement, cost reduction, or quality enhancement. Collaborative projects can lead to innovative solutions that benefit both parties. Training and development. Offer opportunities for vendor training and development if necessary. Enhancing the vendor's capabilities can directly benefit your organization. Adaptation and flexibility. As business needs and external environments change, regularly revisit and adjust the key performance indexes and targets to stay relevant and effective. Recognition and reward. Recognize and reward vendors who consistently meet or exceed their performance targets. Recognition can motivate continued excellence and strengthen the relationship.